Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about types of variables declaration. Number one is static declaration. In static variable declaration, programmer interprets that what is the type of the variable. Number two is dynamic declaration. Dynamic variable declaration, data type is defined by compiler according to the value of the variable. And third one is mixed declaration. Different types of variables can be declared in single statement. Now we are going toward implementation. Here first declare static variable declaration var a float 64 and here print float variable. Run the program and here is the value fmt printf type of the variable float 64-bit. And now declare a variable var b, value is 33 and b value b and b data type b. Run the program. So you can like write this b t the value of b is integer, automatically assigned by compiler according to the nature of the data. Change the integer to the float value and then run the program. And now b data type is float 64 because of the value 33.3. So this is dynamic data type or dynamic variable declaration. Now in mix mode you can declare a, b, and then the value of a is 1 or 11 and the value of b is 11.5. Run the program. And in mix declaration a is integer type and b is float 64-bit, and you can also declare string type abc, variable c, and c, q. Run the program and here is the result. String data type float 64-bit, integer is A, B is float 64-bit, C is string data type. Thank you for watching this video.